how to add your laptop camera to OBS Studio. So if you have a built-in webcam on your computer, I'm going to show you how to add this to OBS. Now, first thing you'll need to do is open up your Start menu and then click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security, and then scroll down and click on the camera. Make sure camera access is turned on. Make sure Let Apps Access Your Camera is also turned on, and also make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera is switched on. Once you've done this, close out of the window and go and open up OBS Studio. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have a scene created. So if you don't already have a scene, you can click on the plus icon and then you can just press OK. You can then come down to Sources and click on the plus icon. Now select Video Capture Device. You can decide to give this a name and then press OK. Now click on the drop down next to Device and you should be able to select your webcam. You can decide to change any of these settings. I'm just going to leave them as their default and press OK. So now you'll see this webcam on the screen. You can go and resize this by dragging the edges in OBS Studio. You can also reposition this by placing it anywhere on the screen. So the next time you start a recording, it's now also going to record your webcam as well.